Hey, I'm Ricky Stokes, General Manager for Valdosta Toyota and the Butler Automotive Group down in Valdosta, Georgia. We just had AutoStaff in for the second time. Ken was our trainer. Matt, who's president of the company, they do a fantastic job for us. We brought them back last year. We got some great associates out of the class. This year we had a dynamic class that I think is going to even be better. Ken does a great job in narrowing down the right kind of opportunities for us and our future associates. So I wanted to say thank you to them. Really appreciate their hard work, integrity, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.